Dear Chartered Accountants, working professionals and students in the domains of Indian auditing, accounting and the tax and regulatory space, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing Chartered Accountant. Daily news and updates for 28th August 2023. In order to enhance taxpayer experience and keep pace with new technology, the Income Tax Department has revamped its national website with a user-friendly interface, value-added features, and new modules. The newly revamped website was launched by Shri Nitin Gupta, Chairman Central Board of Direct Taxes, at the Chintan Shivir organized by Directorate of Income Tax Systems at Udaipur. Government aims to slash income tax refund processing time from 16 days to 10 days. Reducing the processing time for tax refunds is a positive step that can benefit taxpayers by providing them with quicker access to their rightful refunds. The proposed reduction from 16 days to 10 days indicates the Income Tax Department's efforts to streamline its operations and enhance efficiency. SEBI has mandated the criteria for submission of additional disclosures by foreign portfolio investors under the FPI norms. As per the criteria, details of all entities holding any ownership, economic interest, or exercising control in the FPIs need to be provided by certain FPIs. These are FPIs that hold more than 50% of their Indian equity AUM in a single Indian corporate group, and FPIs that individually or along with others hold more than Rs 25,000 crore of equity AUM in the Indian markets. The provisions of this circular shall come into force with effect from 1st of November 2023. Earlier, the RBI prescribed a framework for facilitating small value digital payments in offline mode to encourage technological innovations. Further, in a statement on development and regulatory policies dated August 10, 2023, the RBI proposed increasing the upper limit of offline payment transactions to Rs 500. Now, the RBI has enhanced the upper limit of offline digital payment transactions from Rs 200 to Rs 500. This directive is effective immediately. Demand for electric vehicles has doubled among e-commerce companies and consumer goods makers as they seek to reduce costs and meet carbon emission reduction targets. Companies such as Amazon, Hindustan Unilever, and Coca-Cola are switching to electronic vehicles for deliveries. The operating costs of electronic vehicles are much lower than diesel or CNG vehicles, leading to substantial savings for operators. Over 1 lakh electric cars and 1 million electric two-wheelers are expected to be sold in India this fiscal year. Banks in India will no longer be able to secretly auction off stressed loans under a new framework agreed upon by high street banks. The decision to auction loans must now be notified to all key players in the market, ending the practice of keeping potential bidders in the dark. Banks have also established a timeline to close such deals within 7 working days after receiving final approval from lending banks. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.